Okay, y'all, it's been 10 minutes. So now we're going to take the plastic off and apply the fixation solution and then recover with plastic again. Ooh, y'all, my face hot. Oh my gosh, I think it's working. Okay, calm down. So it didn't say anything about taking it off before I put this on. Oh my God, I'm sweating. I don't want it to get in my eye. Oh my God. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Girl, I'm sweating, girl. My face hot. Ugh. Jesus, help me. I need a paper towel. Yeah. Oh. Okay. So fixation. And then take the little plastic off. It fell, y'all. I'll get it later. It's like bubbly. I mean, this is a chemical treatment. Okay, well, it is a chemical treatment. All right. So we're gonna put the solution on. Yo, I swear I think it's working. Oh, girl, get straight, boo. Okay. This is so cool. All right. It doesn't smell bad either. Honestly, the perm does smell like perm, but it's not like I saw some reviews for this, like before I did it myself. I was looking at videos of it. And from what I saw, some people were like, it smells awful. Oh my gosh, blah, blah. And I'm like, it doesn't smell that bad. Like, no worse than putting a perm on your head. So, I don't know. Ooh, got too much. See? Being overzealous. Look at that. I feel like I need to put a little bit more. See, I'm heavy handed. I'm going to be using up, I'm going to have to order this again. I like this. I can tell. I can tell my brows are about to be so cute. Ooh, oh my goodness. It is about to be so cute, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now we gotta put the plastic on and leave it on again for another 10 minutes. So, you know what it is? It's hot because I'm putting too much plastic on here. It's just I don't have that much of a forehead. Okay, let's do it like this. And then 10 minutes. Let me go cook, bake. Yeah, let's say bake. Let me let my eyebrows bake a little bit. Okay, I'll be back.